Welcome to the Excellence Awards 2022. The Principal's Prizes for Research and Engagement recognise the outstanding contributions our colleagues make in research, impact and engagement. They highlight the significant insights our researchers generate in their chosen fields. And it gives me great pleasure to introduce our Excellence Awards winners for 2022.
Outstanding Research Awards. Postgraduate Early Career Researcher Award for STEM. The joint winners are David Fisher and Heidi Gardner. Both Heidi and David are recognised for their outstanding work on topical matters. David is recognised for his research that addresses the important question of how organisms adapt to climate change. Heidi's award recognises her work on the design of clinical trials to ensure inclusivity, specifically regarding ethnicity.
Postgraduate Early Career Researcher Award, Arts, Humanities and Social Science. The winner is Alistair McPherson. Alistair is recognised for his research on the floating charges practical operation in Scotland, which has influenced draft legislation in the Scottish Parliament.
Individuals at further stages of career development, arts, humanities and social science. The winner is Abby Brown. Abby is recognised for her highly significant research dealing with the way in which intellectual property law may either stimulate or frustrate the technological advances necessary for combating climate change.
Outstanding Research Project, COVID-19 Response and Recovery Award. The winner is Muhammad Islam. Muhammad is recognised for research into the effect of actions of retailers in the global north on women workers in the garment sector in Bangladesh. Muhammad's research has resulted in recommendations to the UK and Bangladesh governments for changes in legislation.
Outstanding Research Team Award. The joint winners are the iCared team and the Lighthouse Field Station. The iCared team has worked with academic, clinical and industrial stakeholders to drive innovation and change in diagnostic services, working towards new methodologies using AI for patient benefit. The Lighthouse Field Station are recognised for their research on how natural and man-made environmental changes influence the behaviour and population dynamics of marine mammals and seabirds, which supports conservation and marine resource management.
Outstanding Postgraduate Research Supervisor Award. The winner is Tom Greggs. Tom has provided outstanding support and encouragement to PhD students. Tom is an empathetic and encouraging mentor who regularly provides training for students and staff, personalising his approach to individual requirements.
Success in Engagement with Industry Award. The winner is Tara Marshall. Tara is recognised for her contribution to BatMap, an app that allows reporting to a secure database in real time, providing an innovative response to a sustainability issue.
Research Impact Award. The winner is Godred Fairhurst. Godred is recognised for the impact of his work in helping to define the Internet standards within the Internet Engineering Task Force, the primary Internet Standards Development Organisation.
The Public Engagement with Research Award. The winner is Mirella Deli Begovic. Mirella was an inspirational lead in the Pan-Scotland celebrations of the centenary of insulin discovery. She hosted the opening event, emphasising Scotland's role in this Nobel Prize-winning research, and contributed to a Royal Mint project, leading to the 50p commemorative coin.
Public Engagement with Research, Early Career Prize. The joint winners are Katie Ann Sterling and Alinka Roxandra Tone. Katie has led the iCare programme of activities that have introduced artificial intelligence research to young people from local communities who otherwise may not have been exposed to the conversation around the use of AI in healthcare. Alinka's engagement activities have been instrumental in raising awareness of the impact of stress and fatigue on farmers. Alinka's practical activities have provided key tools that will support behaviour change among UK farmers.
Outstanding Achievement in Biomedical Sciences. The winner is Derek Ball. Derek has taken part in a range of activities engaging the public with research on nutrition, human physiology, and the limits to human performance in sports. Participating in local and national festivals, Derek proposes provocative ideas and leads lively discussions on the ethics of drug taking in sport and the risks to athletes.
Development Trust Award for Philanthropy and Alumni Engagement. The joint winners are Mark Patterson and Peter Chi. Mark has been an invaluable supporter of the Development Trust and Alumni Relations team, offering his time to support popular virtual events throughout the pandemic. Peter has helped to strengthen the alumni engagement activity in China. He has played an invaluable role in establishing connections with partners, colleagues and alumni. Peter's work to create content for Chinese platforms has resulted in fantastic attendance at alumni events and also generated a philanthropic gift. Congratulations to all our winners in the 2022 Principals Excellence Awards.